guys, life can get super hectic and often bland, and that is why you need a color addition to your space. Here are 7 plants that will not only add color to your space, but also offer other benefits. Number 1 on our list is the Cordyline fruticosa. This plant is a showstopper. Bold, colorful leaves that are like art in your home. Plus, it's low maintenance and purifies the air. Number 2 on our list is Wandering Jew. This plant is a personal fave. Its purple trailing leaves spread color vibes everywhere. It is super easy to propagate, maintain, and purifies the air too.